Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Roy of Thrift Shop X or NTSX. Guys, this is not only a business, but this is also a charity project. So maraming salamat sa pagsuporta. Ida-drop ko tong mga cherries na to tomorrow. Isa-isa po, i-vlog ko. Now, if you like some of this stuff, nako guys, I'm telling you, hindi kayo talo rito. Talagang handpick ko itong mga ito. So, pakisuportahan kasi 20% of the proceed ay mapupunta sa charity event natin. And you will become member of our community once na bumili po kayo dito. So, guys, thank you again for supporting NTSX. Ulitin ko guys enjoy Thrift Shop X. Why X? Because I want to collaborate with other people. I want to donate, to do charity works, sponsorships. Yan. At baka sakali kahit scholarship. Pag lumaki ng lumaki tayo guys, ibabalik at babalik tayo para tumulong sa mga nangangailangan. At sa karapat dapat na tulungan. So maraming salamat.